In the hidden corners of nature, ants are constantly at work. They are small, but their wisdom is enormous. What can these tiny creatures teach us about money, discipline, and long-term investing? Welcome to Ant Investing, the philosophy of the ant. Ants don't wait for a crisis to act. They prepare long before trouble arrives. While we often scramble to react, ants calmly execute plans laid in advance. Their strategy is based on consistency, preparation, and long-term thinking. Let's break it down into the principles you can apply to your own financial life. Principle 1. Prepare during abundance. Ants gather food during the summer, not winter. They use the good times to prepare for the hard times. When your income is stable, use that time to build your financial reserves. Save aggressively. Invest steadily. Create your emergency fund before emergencies happen. Don't wait for a crisis. Principle 2. Invest little and often. Ants don't drag home an entire harvest in one day. They carry one grain at a time, over and over. The same goes for investing. You don't need a large lump sum to start. Small, regular contributions to a savings or investment account compound into significant wealth. It's not about one-time action, it's about persistent effort. Principle 3. Diversify for safety in the colony. Not every ant does the same job. Some scout, others defend, others store. This is a form of risk management. Investing, diversify your assets. Don't put all your money into one stock, one property, or one idea. A strong financial plan spreads risk across different vehicles: stocks, bonds, real estate, and even cash. Principle 4. Adapt quickly. When an ant faces an obstacle, it doesn't give up. It reroutes and finds a new path. Markets change. Life changes. Let's be flexible. If an investment stops working, reallocate. If expenses rise, adjust your budget. Flexibility is a survival trait in both ants and investors. Principle 5. Prioritize the colony's needs. Ants aren't selfish. They work for the health of the entire colony, not just themselves. Your budget should reflect your values and priorities. You need that daily $6 coffee? Or would that money be better invested in your future? Prioritize your financial goals over instant gratification. Principle 6. Think long-term. An ant colony doesn't plan for tomorrow. It plans for the season. We often make financial decisions based on immediate wants. But real investing happens with a long lens. Think in years, not days. The longer your money is invested, the more powerful compound growth becomes. Principle 7. Manage risk intelligently. Ants don't just rush into unknown territory. They send scouts. They test the waters. Before you invest, do your research. Understand the risks. Don't follow trends blindly. A calculated decision is better than a hasty one, even if it feels slow. Principle 8. Trust the power of compounding. Each ant's small contribution adds up to massive stores of food. That's compounding in action. Your investments will grow not only by what you add, but by the returns on those returns. Let time and consistency do the heavy lifting. Principle 9. Stay purpose-driven. Every ant action has purpose. Every grain is collected for survival and success. Likewise, your financial behavior should be tied to specific goals. Why are you saving? What does financial freedom mean to you? Don't act aimlessly, act with intention. Principle 10. Review, learn, and improve. Ants improve their tunnels. They strengthen weak spots. They learn from failure. As investors, we should do the same. Review your financial plan regularly. Check your spending. Rebalance your portfolio. Learn from mistakes. Make adjustments. Ants don't have money. They don't study economics. But they have mastered the key to survival and success. Plan ahead. Work together. Stay consistent. They build their wealth grain by grain. If you start with just $100 a month, invested wisely over time, you could grow that into tens of thousands of dollars. All it takes is patience, discipline, and faith in the process, just like the ant. And remember, this is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching Ant Investing, the philosophy of the ant. If you enjoyed this nature-inspired financial wisdom, like, comment, and subscribe. Next time we'll look at the AOL's retirement plan, how one of nature's most observant creatures shows us how to plan for the future with clarity and insight. Till then, build smart, save wisely, and think like the ant.